of being foodie. Aloo Vadi or Patra, mere its name makes our mouth water, isn't it? Aloo Vadi has important place in Maharashtrian food culture, and Maharashtrian thali is not complete without aloo vadi. Aloo or Patra is called colocasia leaves in English, and colocasia is known for its medicinal properties. It is said that if consumed regularly, it keeps your kidneys healthy. So today, let's make healthy yet delicious aloo vadi.
Ingredients: 5 to 6 colocasia leaves or aloo leaves, 1 bowl of besan or Bengal gram powder, 10 to 15 garlic buds, 7 to 8 green chilies, 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 1 bowl dry coconut, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, a small piece of jaggery, 1 tablespoon of soaked and mashed tamarind water, salt to taste, oil as required. Take dry coconut, green chilies, ginger and garlic, cumin and coriander seeds in a blender. Add little water and make thick paste. Take besan in a bowl. Add turmeric powder. Add garam masala powder. Add asafoetida and white sesame seeds. Add salt to taste. Add ground masala. Mix it well. Soak tamarind and jaggery in water. Pour this water in the batter. Wash and dry leaf. Cut the stems. Remove hard veins as shown. Apply oil on the back side of the leaf. Start applying batter to the back side of the leaf. Keep another leaf over it, covering it halfway. Again apply the coating over it. Start rolling from one end towards the other. Fold inside from both the ends. Apply oil to steamer plate. Place this roll in a steamer plate. Let it steam for about 15 minutes. Steam it on low flame. Once it cools down completely, cut it into pieces. Shallow fry on low flame. Place it on the corner to turn crispy. And now our aloo vadi is ready.
Let's take down the list of ingredients needed for aloo vadi. I'm sure you must have loved this traditional toothsome recipe. Do try it at home and enjoy with your friends and family. If you like our recipes, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to press the bell icon. See you next time with another exquisite recipe. Keep watching Being Foodie.